Good evening to all of you. Today, I am going to start one more important topic, that is continuation of number system, LCM and GCD. In our lower classes or in our lower standard, we know how to find LCM and GCD. And moreover, this is not the right time to learn LCM and GCD, but don't be hesitate to learn LCM and GCD, because especially in AMCAT exam, minimum 2 questions there is a chance to ask from LCM and GCD. AMCAT is one of the assessment partner for many companies like Mindtree, Emphasis, NTT Data, Cognizant, Wipro, DXC Technologies, and many more companies. So that is the reason. So first of all, understand what is LCM and what is GCD, the basics. Then we'll go for the advanced models related to LCM and GCD. They never give in campus placement. They never give how to find the LCM or how to find the GCD, but they always concentrate on indirect questions based on the concept of LCM and GCD. Yes. Now, what is the meaning of LCM? LCM means least common multiple. That is the abbreviation, but there is no use with the abbreviation. But please understand, let us assume. Remember this example throughout the topic. Let us assume numbers are 2, 4. Listen all of you, please remember this example throughout the topic. This is for our reference. Smaller numbers 2, 4. For 2, what are the factors? 1, 2. What are the factors? 1, 2. Coming to 4. What are the factors for 4? 1 is one factor, 2 is one more factor, 4 is one more factor. Get it, all of you? These are the factors. Whenever we know the factors of 2, 4, whenever we know the factors of 2, 4 is 1, 2 and 1, 2, 4, the common factors are 1, 2. The common factors are 1, 2. Whenever we know the common factors are 1, 2, out of 1, 2, which one is highest common factor out of 1, 2? 2 is the highest common factor. 2 is the highest common factor. This is called HCF or GCD. HCF or GCD. Greatest common divisor or highest common factor. So 2, 4, what is the highest common factor? 2. Similarly, for 2, the multiples now. For 2, the multiples now. Multiples. 2 is one multiple. 4 is one more multiple. 6 is multiple. 8 is multiple. 10 is multiple. 12 is multiple. And so on. All these are the multiples of 2. All these are the multiples of 2. 4 multiple. 4, 8, 12. Yes. Emma, get it, all of you? 4, 8, 12, and so on. whenever all these are the multiples of 2 and 4, 2 and 4, out of these what are the common multiples? What are the common multiples, ma? 2 is not a common multiple, 4 is a common multiple, 6 is not a common multiple, 8 is the common multiple, 10 is not a common multiple, 12 is the common multiple, like that. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, all are the common multiples for both 2 as well as 4. So out of 4 comma 8 comma 12 are the common multiples. Which one is the least common multiple? Which one is the least common multiple? 4 is the answer. Which one is the least common multiple, ma? 4. Among 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Which one is the least number? Which one is the least common multiple? 4 is the answer. So remember only 2 points here. GCD of 2 comma 4 is equal to 2. We already found previously. GCD of 2 comma 4 is 2. Second one is LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. Remember this example throughout the topic, ma, for the reference. 4. So whenever the GCD of 2 comma 4 is 2 and LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4, if you observe clearly, 2 is the common divisor. 2 is the common divisor for both 2 and 4. 2 is a common divisor for 2 and 4. It means ma, 2 is always divides. 2 is always divides 2 comma 4. 2 is always divides 2 comma 4. Whenever 2 is always divides 2 comma 4, it means that the denominator is always GCD. Denominator is always GCD. GCD is always divides. GCD is always divides. So GCD is always divides the numerator. GCD is always in the denominator only. GCD is always in the denominator. So whenever the GCD is always in the denominator, please understand the difference between LCM and GCD in exam point of view. LCM of 2 comma 4. LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. Whenever the LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4, 2 comma 4 is 4. 4 is always divisible by 4 is always divisible by 2 comma 4. 4 is always divisible by 2 comma 4. Here 4 is in the numerator. 4 is in the numerator. Numerator is always divisible, ma. Numerator is always divisible. So whenever the numerator is always divisible, numerator is the LCM and denominator is the GCD. So denominator always divides and coming to the numerator always divisible by. In exam point of view, in anywhere find the least number which is exactly divisible by. So divisible by means LCM. Find the greatest number which is exactly divides the given numbers. Then you have to go for the GCD or ACCF. GCD or ACCF. Okay. So divisible by means LCM and divides means GCD. Write down a note. Write down a note. Write down, ma. Write down. LCM of LCM of two numbers, LCM of two numbers is always divisible by LCM of two numbers is always divisible by LCM of two numbers is always divisible by the given numbers. Compulsory ma. LCM is in the numerator. LCM is always divisible only. LCM is in the numerator. Second point, ACCF or GCD of two numbers is always divides the given number. Divides the given numbers. Divisible by in any way. LCM divides means GCD. Divides means GCD. Divides means GCD. So write down the first example ma. I don't want to explain more basic examples, but I will given how to find LCM and GCD. Please revise ma. Many of you know how to find the LCM, but many of you forgot about the GCD. So if you know the basic how to find the LCM for the given numbers, it will be good for you. So write down. Find the LCM of 14, 18. Find the LCM of 14, 18, 24, 30. 14, 18, 24, 30. So whenever the LCM is 14, LCM of four numbers 14, 18, 24, 30, there are two methods to find the LCM and GCD ma. There are two methods. First one is division method. So first of all, we need to understand how to find the LCM by using division method. So this is the way you have to go for division method ma. 2, 14, 18, 24, 30. Those are the numbers. You can go for the prime factorization indirectly. So here if you take 2 ma, if you take 2 here, 2 7 jar, 2 7 jar, 2 9 jar. This is the way you have to go for the LCM. 2 12 jar, 2 12 jar, and here 30 means 2 15 jar, not 3. It is a 30. 15. So 2 7 9, 2 12 jar 24, 2 15 jar 30. Please follow the calculation. So again if you take 3 ma, again if you take 3, 7 not possible, 3 3 jar, 3 4 jar, 3 5 jar. So here there is not possible. Now if you want to go for the LCM, LCM is nothing but the multiplication of LCM is nothing but the multiplication 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 4 into 5 ma. This is the LCM of the given numbers. This is the LCM of the given numbers, the multiplication. So 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6 ma, and 6 into 7, 42, 42 into 3, 126, 126 into 4, 504, 504 into 5, 2520. So that is the LCM for the given numbers by using division method. Once if you understand the concept, definitely in our mind, by getting more and more practice, you may understand. So try to understand. This is the way you have to go for LCM of the given numbers by using division method. So whenever they given the smaller numbers, 14, 18, 24, 30, these are the smaller numbers. By using second one, factorization method. Second method is factorization method. Second method is factorization method. So whenever we are using the factorization method, we need to find the factors for each and every number. 14. What are the factors for 14? 2, 7 ma. Okay. So 14 can be written as 2, 7. 18 can be written as 2 into 9. 2 into 9. 2 into 9 nothing but 2 power 1 into 3 square है ना. 2 power 1 into 3 square. 24 can be written as 3 into 8 ma. 24 can be written as 3 into 8 ma. So 3 power 1 into 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. 8 is nothing but 2 power 3. And finally 30. 30 is nothing but 6 into 5 is 30. So 6 into 5, 30. So 6 nothing but 2 into 3 nena. This is the prime factorization of the given number. This is the prime factorization of the given number. This is the prime factorization of the given number. Once if you write the prime factorization of each and every number 14, 18, 24 and 30, to find the LCM by using factorization method, one of the most important point here, write down. LCM is equal to LCM of the given numbers is equal to LCM of the given numbers is equal to product of all different prime numbers, product of all different prime numbers with maximum power, product of all different prime numbers with maximum power. What is that meaning? Please understand ma. Product of all different prime numbers with maximum power by using factorization method. So every time in exam point of view, no need to write what is LCM, what is GCD, but for our understanding purpose, remember this point. Product of all different prime numbers is nothing but 14, 18, 24 and 30. Out of that, what are the different prime numbers ma? 2 is one prime number, 2 is one prime number, 7 is one more prime number, 3 is one more prime number, 5 is one more prime number. For these four numbers 14, 18, 24, 30, we got only four different prime numbers. Those are 2, 3, 5, 7. Those are 2, 3, 5, 7. We know clearly the product of all different prime numbers nothing but 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Whenever we write the product of 2, 3, 5, 7 with maximum power or minimum power, maximum power ma. So that maximum power is out of 2 power 1, 2 power 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 1. Which one is the maximum power? 2. 3 is the maximum power. That is the reason we taken into the consideration only 2 power 3. Coming to 3. So 3 power is 1 year. 3 power is 1 year. 3 power 2 is 3 power is 2 year. So which one is the maximum power? We consider 3 power 2. We consider 3 power 2. Again 7 power 1 is there. We consider only 7 power 1 because there is no other, and 5 is also only one. That is a reason you have to take 5 power 1. So now you can multiply ma. 2 power 3 is nothing but 72. Sorry, 8. 2 power 3 is nothing but 8 into 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9 into 7 power 1 is 7 and 5. So 8 9s are 22 and 7 5s are 35. Go with your own calculation. Go with your own simplification. There is no issue. There is no problem. 72 into 35. Do it fast, ma. What is the answer? The condition for exactly divisible is remainder is 0, ma. If there is a remainder, we use the word divided by. Exactly divisible means remainder 0. And Swapnil, I didn't get your question, ma. When we have to divide to find the LCM. For unit digit concept, we need one more sub concept, ma. That is the reason it's pending. Don't worry about it. Is it okay, Rahul? So what is the answer finally? 2 5 2 0. Hope everyone understood to find the LCM by using factorization method and division method. For the smaller number, whenever they given the smaller number, better to go for the factorization method. Whenever they give the larger number, better to go for the division method. Depends on your convenience. Next one. Next one, decimal numbers. Find the LCM of 1.6 comma. Find the LCM of 1.6 comma 0.28. Don't think that yet initial classes we don't want to go for easy topics, ma. Whatever the topics are important, I want to explain those topics first, because nowadays many companies looking to recruit 19 batch and 20 batch. So that is the reason for AMCAT, for online exam, it helps a lot to you. These are the decimal numbers. Previously they given direct integers, ma. So if you have to take 1.6, 0.28, it is very difficult to divide, to deal decimal numbers. Understood, all of you? That is the reason, first of all, we have to convert. First of all, we have to convert 1.6, 0.28, 3.2, and 4.9. We need to convert these numbers into integers by multiplying with here 1.6. If you want to convert into integer, ma, only 10 is the multiplication. 1.6 into 10 is enough to get 16. Here 0.28 is converted into integer by multiplying with 100, because there are two decimal values. 3.2, there is only one decimal place, that is the reason 10 is enough. Here also only one decimal place, 10 is enough. But if you want to take a common multiple to convert all these decimal numbers into integers, better to multiply with 100. That is the common number to all. So if we multiply 1.6 into 100, 160, 0.28 into 100, 28, 3.2 into 100, 320, 4.9 into 100, 490. Now the decimal numbers becomes integer numbers, like previous 14, 18, 24, 30. These are 160, 28, 320, 490. We know how to find the LCM for 160, 28, 320, 490. So first of all, find the LCM for the given numbers, ma. 160, yeah. One more small clue here. Previously, do you observe 2, 4? What is the LCM of 2, 4? What is the LCM of 2, 4? 4. Yes. What is the LCM of 10, 20? Compulsory 20, ma. 2, 4 multiple is 4. 10, 20. LCM is 20. 20, 60. Compulsory LCM is 60. 15, 45. The LCM should be 45. Yes. Similarly, 160, 320. LCM is 320, nena. Yes. LCM of 160, 320 is 320. If you know, in the given group, 160 and 320 both are there. 160 and 320 both are there. So 160 and 320, the LCM is 320. Why should we consider 320 again? Instead of finding the LCM for 4 numbers, better to find the LCM of only 3 numbers, because 160 is one factor for 320. 160 and 320 compulsory, the LCM is 320. Ignore all the factors. Ignore all the factors, ma. Sir, why you are getting the confusion? Definitely you have to take 160 also, no problem. There is no change in your answers. Do it fast, ma. So I considered only 3 numbers: 28, 320, 490. So please concentrate in online class. This is not offline. So 214 jar, 2 160 is 320, 2 245 is 490. If you have to take 5, 14 not possible, ma, but 532 is 160, 5 49 is 245, 7 2 jar 14, 32 not possible, 7 7 jar 49, 2 2 1 jar 2 16 jar 7 not possible. You know how to find the LCM now. The product of all the factors, 2 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 1 into 16 into 7. Please spend your valuable time for the calculation. Don't lose your concentration for the calculation part. So this is completely mathematical related, ma. Why 5 divide means 160 and 245 are there, na? If you want to take 2, finally the factors are, you may get the same factors, ma. This is not only the order. Abhishek, is it okay? If you want to take in place of 5, if you want to take in place of 5, ma, you can take 2 here, no problem. Okay, but irrespective of the order, definitely you may get the same factors at the end of the calculation. So what is the answer? Please calculate, everyone. Don't wait for the answer from someone. Super. Satya. 15680. So LCM of these integers, 160, 28, 320, 490 is 2 into 5 into 7 into 2 into 1 into 16 into 7, ma. 15680. Good. 152. Check it, ma, Abhishek. Not 152. One 15680. But we need to get the LCM for the decimal numbers na. So initially, what did we do? Multiply with 100. At the end of the calculation, just you have to divide it by 100 ma. Initially, you have to multiply with 100, whatever the multiplication factor. You can go with the same divisor. 156.80 is the answer for the given example. So this is the answer for the given decimal number. Hope all of you understood. Uma, not 15.68. Be careful with the calculations, ma. Don't do minor mistakes. We need accuracy in the answer. In any exam, don't be hurried to attempt the questions, ma. For example, if they give 50 questions, one person said confidently, sir, definitely I will get 35 marks out of 50. Someone said, I don't know, sir, but I attempted all 50 questions, sir. So which one is better to understand from yourself also? Am understood all of you? So what is the answer? 156.8. Next one. HCF, highest common factor. Do it fast, ma. HCF of 120, 246, 100. Same, to find the HCF, there are two methods. First one is the factorization method and the second one is the division method. So division method means we can divide only two numbers at a time. If you want to go with 120, 246 or 246, 100 or 100, 120, you can go ahead, man. No issue. But you can divide only two numbers at a time. This is the way you can find the GCD or HCF by using division method. You can take only two numbers at a time. So 120 and 246, I want to take ma. So 120 is a smaller number. That is the reason 120 is the divisor. 122 times 240. So the remainder is 6. Many of you forgot in BTech also to find the GCD. Very few members remembered. 6. This process is continue. This process is continue up to the remainder should be 0. This process is continue up to the remainder should be 0. So if 6 is the remainder here, now 6 is the divisor. Now 6 is the divisor for this 120 ma. Now 6 is the divisor for this 120. Six is the divisor for this 120. Do it fast, ma. So this process is continue up to the remainder should be 0. If it is not 0, if the remainder is not 0, this is the divisor for the previous divisor 120. So 0 is the remainder na. Stop the process. Now this 6 is the divisor, the greatest common divisor for first two numbers 120 comma 246. But we have the third number also. We have the third number also. Whenever we have the third number, please check whether 6 divides, whether this 6 divides 100 or not, whether 6 divides 100 or not. In there 96 ma. Remainder 4. If the remainder is not equal to 0, 4 is the divisor for previous divisor. Previous divisor is 6. 4 1 are 4. The remainder is 2. Yes. So finally, this 2 is this 2 is this ma highlighter. This 2 is the highest common factor for the given numbers 120, 246, 100. 2 is the highest common factor. 2 is the HCF. 2 is the answer for the given question. Just note down. Yeah, Ram, previously you said 35 is the better, na? But every time we cannot get that is a factor. The largest number is a factor. Second one, division method. Whenever they given the smaller numbers, ma, same model, division method. If you have to go for any method, the answer should be same. Okay, there is no issue. Division method. Sorry, factorization method. Factorization method. First of all, for factorization method, what is required? The prime factorization of given number. So 120 can written as 120 means 24 into 5 है ना? Yes. So 120 means you can go with your own calculation, no problem. 120 में 2 into 16 है ना? Yes. This 60 means 2 into 15. Sorry, 30. 2 into 2 into 30 means 2 into 15. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 15 means 3 into 5. So only 1 5, 5 power 1, only 1 3, 3 power 1. But here 2 3 twos are there, 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Yes. So after writing the prime factorization of the given numbers, after writing the prime factorization of the given numbers, GCD or HCF by using factorization method is equal to product of common prime numbers, product of common prime numbers with minimum power, product of common prime numbers with minimum power. Don't confuse between LCM and GCD. Product of common prime numbers with minimum power by using factorization method. So once if you write each number as its prime factorization, take all the common prime numbers of 120, 246, 100. So 120, 246, 100. Here the factors are 2, 3, 5. Here 2, 3, 41. Here 2, 5. So which one is the common factor among 120, 246, 100? 2 is the common among 3. Yes. 3 is not a common because 3 is not a factor for 100. So don't consider 3. 5 is the factor for 120, 100. So 5 is not a common for 246. Don't consider 41. 41 is a not a common for 120 and 100. Don't consider. Here there is only one common factor, that is 2. There is only one common factor, that is 2. Among in 120 2 power is 3, in 246 2 power is 1, in 100 2 power is 2. We have to take product of all common prime numbers. In this example we get only one common prime number, that is 2, with minimum power or maximum power. Minimum power out of 2 power 3, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, which one is the minimum? 2 power 1 is the minimum. So what is the final answer? 2. So by using any method, the answer should be same. Don't confuse previous by using the division method or by using the factorization method, the answer should be same. So any doubt up to that? Am I understood all of you? Please get the difference between both the numbers. So GCD means the product of common prime numbers with minimum power. LCM means the product of all different prime numbers with maximum power. All of you got the difference between both LCM and GCD? Please compare, don't confuse. Next one. If 3 is also common, it is applicable to anyone. For example, product of common prime numbers with minimum power means, for example, let us assume in 100, 2 power 2 into 5 power 2 in place of that 2 power 2 into 5 power 2 into 3 power 2 let us assume in prime factorization of 100, there is a 3, that is the power of 2. There is a 3 power 2. Here 3 power 1, here 3 power 1, here 3 power 2 is there. At that time 2 is the common and 3 is also common. You have to take into 3. Out of that 3 power 1 and 3 power 1 and 3 power 2. Which one is the minimum? 3 power 1. Concept is same. Don't worry about it. Sumit, is it okay, ma? Next one. Do it fast, ma. Decimal numbers. Same model. At least from your side, you have to try, ma. Find the HCF of, get the clarity from one example, implement yourself for the other example. Then only there is a value for the subject, there is a result for your valuable time. Find the HCF of 3.2, 4.12, 1.3 and 7 and 7. We know already, we discussed, whenever they given decimal numbers, we need to convert these decimal numbers into integers by multiplying with 10, 100, 1000, depends on the more number of decimal values in the given value. So in 3.2 only one decimal place, 4.12 there are two decimal places, in 1.3 there is only one decimal place. Better to take the maximum decimal places are 2. So if you multiply with 100, all numbers are all decimal numbers are converted into integers. So if they give 3 numbers or 4 numbers, by using division method, you can go with any one of the method, no problem. Whatever the method is easy for you, you can go ahead, no issue. The answer should be same. We can divide only 2 numbers at a time. I can divide only 320, 412 past ma. 320 is a smaller number. It is a divisor for 412. This process is continue up to the remainder should be 0. If the remainder is not equal to 0, it is act as a divisor for the previous divisor. So 412 and 320. Remainder is not 0, the remainder is 92. So if the remainder is not 0, 92 is the divisor for previous divisor 320. Do it fast, all of you, please understand. Yes. So 92 3 are 276. So here 4 is the last divisor, ma. 4 is the GCD for 320, 412. But we have the third number 130. Just to check, ma, whether 4 divides 130 or not. If you say 1 is the divisor, that number should divide all the given numbers. That may be 3 numbers or 4 numbers, ma. 432 jar 128. 2 is the remainder. So again 2 is the divisor for the previous divisor is 4. Am I clear all of you? Now just to check again whether 2 divides, whether this 2 divides the fourth number 700 or not. Exactly 350 times ma. 2 350s are 700. Remainder is 0. Stop the process. And the last divisor is 2. That is the highest common factor for the given numbers. This is the highest common factor for the given numbers. Am understood all of you? We need more and more patience. Good size 0.02, correct. So 2 is the divisor for integer numbers 320, 412, 130, 700. But they given decimal numbers ma. So initially what did you do? Same. Two by 100. So 0.02 is the final answer. So till now we know how to find the LCM of decimal numbers and HCF of decimal numbers. We know how to find the LCM of integers and HCF of integers. In case, in exam point of view, if they give the fractional numbers ma, integers completed, decimal completed, fractional numbers, go with one particular order. So don't do blindly ma. Find the LCM of fractional numbers, integers completed, decimal numbers completed, fractions now. Fractions ma. Write down a note. Write down a note. LCM of fractional numbers a by b comma formula. Write down a note. A by b comma c by d comma e by f is equal to LCM of a by b comma c by d comma e by f is equal to, out of these what are the numerators? A is the first numerator, C is the second numerator, E is the third numerator, is equal to LCM of the numerators by LCM of the numerators by LCM of the numerators by GCD of denominators. GCD of denominators. Voice is breaking. Is it okay now? Now is it okay now? LCM of numerators by GCD of denominators. So the given numbers are 2 by 3, comma 3 by 5, comma 4 by 7, 9 by 13. Means LCM of numerators. What are the numerators? 2, 3, 4, 9 are the numerators in four numbers, four fractional numbers. 2, 3, 4, 9 by GCD of denominators. What are the denominators? 3, comma 5, comma 7, comma 13. So please find the LCM. I already said 2, 3, 4, 9. To find the LCM, any factor is there, ignore the factor. 163, 20. Ignore 160. Do you remember? Yes. So 2 is a factor for 4. Ignore 2. 3 is a factor for 9. Ignore 3. There are only two numbers, that is 4, 9. 4 9 are 36 is the LCM. By GCD 3, 5, 7, 13 all are prime numbers. The common factor for prime numbers is only 1. 36 by 1. Good. This is the way we have to deal integer numbers, decimal numbers and fractional numbers to find LCM or GCD. Hope all of you received me properly. Next one. Next one, do it fast ma. Next one. If they give GCD for the fractional numbers ma, ACCF of 2 by 3, comma 8 by 9, 2 by 3, comma 8 by 9, 2 by 3, comma 8 by 9, comma 10 by 27, 10 by 27, same model ma. To find the HCF of the fractions, write down a formula. HCF of A by B, comma C by D, comma E by F is equal to, that is not E comma F ma, E by F. HCF of numerators by LCM of denominators. Hope got the clarity between both LCM and GCD difference ma. Previously, if you want to go for LCM of the fractions, LCM of the numerators by the GCD of the denominators. If you want to go for the HCF of the fractions, HCF of the numerators by the LCM of the denominators. Reverse. So in the given numbers 2, 3, 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 10 by 27, 16 by 81. So 2, 8, 10, 16 are the numerators. 2, 8, 10, 16. So 2 is a common factor among 2, 8, 10, 16. That is the way you have to identify every time. If you want to go for by using pen and paper every time, definitely it is not possible to crack. Spend more time for practice. LCM of the denominators 3, 9, 27, 81. If you observe clearly 3, 9, 27, 81 all are powers of 3. 3 power 1, 3 power 2, 3 power 3 and 3 power 4. Compulsory the common multiple should be 81 only. So 2 by 81. Aim understood all of you? Next one. Next one. I think the time is 7:13. Yes. So any doubts up to that, ma? LCM or HCF? I didn't get, ma. What is that one? Pankaj. This problem related to HCF of given fractions. So any doubt up to that? Yes, ma. Actually, yes, yes. There is a typing problem only. Sorry for that. Now is it okay? So any doubt up to that? So please ask your doubts, ma. If you have anyone have the doubts. I think there is no problem, but I think due to some network, ma. Okay. So now is it okay? If anyone not audible properly, please ask immediately. Don't be hesitate to clarify your doubts. What is Nehal? I observed this. So in online, there is a problem with the mic, ma. Okay. And moreover, compared with the other subjects for English or technical related, no need to use the pen. almost technical subject can be explained by using notepad and only this one. But for us, definitely we need to go for some explanation along with the calculation part. So while calculating, the mic will move from one side to other side. That is the reason I think my voice having some break. Okay, there is no issue. Snehal, any other ma? Sample questions. Please share your email ID to the office people. I will share the practice questions to that mail IDs, ma. No problem. Okay, running notes. Who are having a 2018 batch or 19 batch, please concentrate on all the subjects, ma, because so Pankaj, if you have any doubt, please share your problem to that mail ID, ma. So Laharika, you have to pay the amount to office. Do you have the office number? So you need material also. So tomorrow I will go for time and distance, ma. Tomorrow I will go for time and distance, one of the most important throughout the quant subject. Laharika, you are asking the practice questions, ma. Monday to Saturday, ma, batch. Sunday you can take. Madhuri, please ask advanced Java batch to the office people, ma. Any other? So please share your complete problem to that mail ID Laharika. I didn't get properly. So any doubt up to that? So thank you, ma. Thank you very much. So everyone, please try to attend the classes regularly and before 6 o'clock, 5:55 or exactly 6 o'clock, please join the classes, ma. Okay. Thank you, everyone, ma. Thank you, everyone.